Learning, see, we're all learning together.
Together.
Everyone's probably shouting at their screens saying, "What are you doing, you idiots?"
Legends, hello, welcome back to the channel. John here, and I'm with my Audi A4 B5, which I've exhumed from the garden and got round to Dad's. As you can see, there are some bits missing, but brief history of the car. I bought it 10 years ago now from the original owner. It is a Boston car. He sadly passed away and the family sold it. 700 quid. I paid for the car and I've done about 60,000 miles on it. It was my daily driver right up until 2019 when I retired it because I didn't want to put too many miles on the clock. It has just been for an MOT every year and not really been anywhere. However, as you know, if you've had a Audi A4 B5 or something similar of this era, the side trims like to fall off for fun. I've managed to find some new ones. We'll have a look at those in a minute. They've come from Lithuania. Why are all the car parts in Lithuania? Anyway, in this video, Dad and I are going to fit them and get the Audi A4 looking a bit more respectable, ready for the summer. So as you can see, the old one actually fell off. We do have it in the car, but it's held in place by these clips, a little peg, and these just rust out. We'll have a chat with Dad in a second. He'll explain to us just why they fail. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, son.
I've just had to go home, which has been annoying.
Because you have forgot something.
Yeah, I forgot your microphone. The production crew wasn't prepared. So whilst I've been gone, you've actually been cracking on because you like that. What have you done?
Been doing something more interesting. I've been working on my motorbike.
Battery is flat on the car, so we've taken that off. We've put that on charge.
Well, I ain't taking it off now.
No, but we've put it on
Where
charge.
is the cover for it?
In the boot, I believe, because it is got one of these little weird battery covers. We've checked the actual box now of the stuff to replace. We've got some new clips and some new little pegs that go in the door. Why do these trims fail, please?
Because the bit like the mud flaps, you've got metal inside plastic and it just sort of corrodes away, doesn't
Traps
it?
the moisture.
It does, mate.
So it's like a thin piece of metal.
High quality metal.
And it's bad quality. And it's got some rubber around, and as you say, the water gets in, traps it, and it just sort of warps off.
It does.
Why have you got a Dremel there?
Because those horrible little screws at the end with them brass inserts that come out the trim, there's no way on earth they're going to come undone.
So we need to cut them off.
We jolly well do.
Are you panicking about this job, or is it it's a job we've been putting off, let's put it that way.
It's a job we need to get done, isn't it, mate?
Well, we'll see how easy it is. If you've done the job yourself, let us know in the comments down below. If you've got the job to do, well, stay with it then, because we're going to show
That
you
driver's door's been done before, you know.
just how easy or difficult it is. Has it now?
Yes, because if you look inside, there's a mark where they've cut the screw head off.
Aha! There you are. So this is what we've got to cut off, this old piece of trim
It's not
here.
a big deal.
And then
Just be careful.
These are the original clips. We might even be able to reuse those.
Just got to be jolly well careful, son.
Aha! Protein bars. What do you got that for?
Mr. Cautious. Because I know this customer, I know from previous experience, this customer is highly critical of any work done.
Whilst you're doing that and being careful, I'm going to put the kettle on.
Thank you, son.
Hey, now look at that. Two classic green cars together.
That's blue.
I've made the oh dear.
Patina, that is.
Oh,
Surface rust.
that's a shame.
That's the bit that was held on with blooming mask, it's insulation tape.
Yeah, that's a problem, isn't it?
Well, I suggest we clean all that gubbins off and I put some blooming rust treatment on it and slap a trim on it quick.
I agree. That shows you the problem with these trims.
They trap the water.
They trap the water, and they just...
I don't know why they decided to do it.
That's the metal in there. That's a big shame, that is. Hopefully when we get the new trim on, you won't see that. But I bet you will. I actually think that these
door trims were probably one of the worst things that Audi could have ever put on the A4 B5. Dad's cleaning his up. I've been working on this door, getting all this, I don't know, what do you think it was? Silicon or Bondo or something off there?
Adhesive sealant.
The plan is we're going to clean all this off, rust protect it, and I've actually got some body colour paint in my workshop, so we're going to just touch that up as well. We've also decided to reuse the old clips if we can, because they're genuine Audi and they've been on the car all its life. Is that cleaning up all right your side?
Yeah, it is, because I can't remember when we took that trim off, we was pleasantly surprised how good it was.
Absolutely. Oh, I've got an unhappy battery there. What are you chuntering about?
Greta Thunberg will be coming to save the whales and stuff.
Save the whales?
All this new life forms that have been found.
Ah, yeah, there's all sorts of moss and stuff. I wouldn't worry too much. I'm going to give it a damn good snow foam and clean later.
Yeah.
What's the plan?
Put a bit of this round that screw hole.
Oh yeah, we bought some of this. It's LPS, which doesn't look very good, but it's good corrosion protection. It's from America, of all places. There it is, on there, LPS. Doesn't look great, does the job. That's where it screws in from the inside. So it's time to put this trim on, right?
Yeah.
So how do we do this then? Because we're going to do it together.
Don't break that Dremel. If you just put that on there,
yeah.
I'll just put that a couple of turns.
The screw is located. Just give it a couple of turns.
Has it got it?
That's it. It's nipped.
Has it got it?
Yeah.
Right. So let's put the rest of it on. It's not going on very easy, John.
Would you not slide it in?
We can try.
Just unscrew your end.
Yeah, just hold it. We can try.
Yeah.
Oh, I know how to do it, yeah. You ain't got to slide it in. You'll say it's been thick. You've only got to go sort of offset, ain't you? Up back like an inch and a half. And then
Oh, and do it that way.
Let me just take this out of the way so we don't lose it. Oh.
Yeah, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on.
That's it. Now we've learned.
Now we know how to do it. We just need to line that hole up now.
Yeah, it doesn't line up.
Does it not? No. That's all right. I can move it backwards.
No, it wants to go up from the bottom. There's a tad. Up there. Just push that up there. Yeah, it wants to go 1/2 mil to the back, John.
Okay.
That's it. Now up.
Ready?
Ready?
That's
up.
as much up as you can have, I'm afraid.
Is it on all the way along?
It blooming well is, mate. Yeah. That famous last words. That actually went on quite easily.
There you go.
Learning. See, we're all learning together.
Together.
Everyone's probably shouting at their screens saying, "What are you doing, you idiots?"
My work here is done. You know how to do them now.
This is when it doesn't shut.
Well, I'm hoping you'll probably do it gently.
Right, let's have a look at that. Oh, there it is. Cool. Let's shut the door gently. Ta-da!
Looks better in the back.
Show us that. Is that the old one versus the new one? Oh, yeah. We say less looking, more fitting. Crack on then. Well, Dad's made his look easy. Now I've got to do mine. You could teacut that forever and it would never come off.
What's that? That stuff?
Yeah.
Well, I was thinking more about the green stuff halfway along.
Oh, yeah.
Right, looking good, Gromit, looking good. What was I thinking? A whole can of worms.
Should have left the bugger alone.
A whole flipping can of worms.
All the worms with all the cans.
So we've done some good.
I'm going to say it. That slid on there easily, that one.
Yeah. I am a bit concerned about this.
Peg.
Yeah. We'll put some of that jollop on it, then we can have to leave the jollop.
Yes. Are we grinding that door down and painting it?
No.
No, we're going to use some of this. Cure
Unless you want to grind it down.
Cure rust. I don't think we need to start grinding it down, do we?
You pick my paintbrush up.
No. What does this stuff do?
It's supposed to.
Kill it?
Yeah, I don't know.
It might be a bit of snake oil, but as Dad says, it's better than nothing on there. We're going to daub that on the door. Dad's going to have some lunch whilst that dries. I'm going to some other paint. Jobs are good in. And as if by magic, all the rust is now gone. Goodbye to rust. No, it's still there. It's just doing its magic, maybe. Who knows? But it's there, and we shall have some lunch and come back. Still got a sad face on the battery. We've had a bit of a, well, I don't know what the word is.
Conflab.
Discussion, conflab, about doing yon side, the near side. Effectively, it doesn't need doing, I'll show you. I think at some point in the car's life, they've been replaced this side. There's just no point in doing work that is unnecessary, in our opinion.
Plan is, you're going to go fetch your paint.
Yeah.
That's going to have a chance to dry.
Yeah.
You can probably just mist a bit of primer on it.
Yeah.
And touch it up.
And then make sure it's roadworthy.
Yes.
So the new trim is a little bit smaller than the old trim, not as wide. So you will see the rot. We're going to have to prime it and paint it. Touch it up. Right, so on goes the second trim. It was a bit smaller than the other one, and you can just see where that rot was. I've painted it with the paint, but it's not gone on too badly. Could be worse. I'm definitely not taking the other side off. And there it is then, jobs are good and job done. I'm saddened I had to paint that door a little bit. I'm saddened that it's a bit rusty, but actually it doesn't look too bad. They aren't as good, the ones we've bought, as the original ones, the OEM ones, but I've saved the original ones for part numbers, but they certainly stand out, and they look better than being missing. Let's speak to Dad, see what he thought. What did you reckon to that in the end?
Could have been worse.
It could have been worse. Oh, you're doing some woodwork here? What are you doing?
I'm doing some charitable works for elderly ladies.
Yes, fixing some stools for Mum.
Not for Mum, for a friend.
For Mum's friend. I'm not going to take it to work tomorrow, I've decided. I'm going to let us have a good go over it, of the brakes, etc., tyre pressures, another day.
I've had enough of it for today.
I haven't had enough of it, no. I'm a little bit disheartened and sad the fact that we've had to paint that door and that it's a bit rotten, the poor old girl. But considering the job we've just done, it's doesn't look
better than it did.
It does look better than it did with the trim missing. Going to give it a clean, going to check the tyre pressures another day. That didn't go as bad as I expected, actually.
Good, I'm
I
pleased to hear
expected it to be a big problem. How about you?
Who knows?
Another day in the life of the mechanic. Thanks for that.
Happy days.
We're not doing the other side, are we?
So you say.
No, I don't think it needs doing yet, but we've got the
I
stuff.
don't think that...
What?
Yeah.
What?
Well, it needs doing sometime, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it's a can of worms you don't feel like opening today.
Not today. I've had enough can of worms. Good, thanks for your help.
Okay.
Well, there you have it then. New, I don't know, door trims, rumble strips to the side of the bottom of the A4 B5. There will be lots more stuff coming on this car on the channel in the next few weeks, few days, as I enjoy it, as I use it, as we take it for a test drive, and we're going down to London town in it. So we'll have a road trip in that. If you've enjoyed the video, thumbs up please. 60 quid, I've done the job. I would have probably held out for a genuine set if I could find some. Subscribe if you haven't already done so to stay up to date with the A4 and all the other stuff we're doing on the channel. And comment down below, what do you reckon? Should we have tackled that a different way, or is that how you'd have done it? Till next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you later. As ever, thank you for watching this video. Dad and I have selected a couple more videos for you that we think that you might like. They're here now. Just give them a click to watch them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It means a lot to us. Thank you.